We are one of the fastest growing construction equipments manufacturing companies, having 34,000 square meter open and 15,000 square meter production area in Mehsana, Gujarat. Alltech is one of India's pioneer manufacturers and current market leaders of road and construction machinery.
Customers see us as a reliable partner in their projects.
Alltech is pioneer to launch bitumen decanter in Asia and highest number of asphalt plant manufacturer and exporter with latest trend-setting technology in the world. Every machine, every joint, every component passes through stringent quality checks, but we go further to earn your trust. To prove our toughness, we built one of the advanced in-house testing facilities.
Our plant consistently delivers robust performance.
Every operation, right from the smallest detail, is signed off for a quality assurance report card by the person doing that job. We are enough capable of pushing our design engineering and build quality to the limits. This is the new design philosophy that the product design is the key to a new efficient production process. Our talent strives to think beyond the books, and we constantly challenge ourselves to become better. Providing continued education and skill training is necessary for success and growth in the modern business environment.
Our rugged machines are designed for tough site conditions.
Our customer support believes that success stems from attention to detail, a devotion that ensures we are there at every step, always. We are creating innovation and development engineering and products innovation right through to the work of ourselves. A process that optimizes material handling, starting with generic prefabrication component manufacturing for each product.
We build innovative products for better roads to cater both domestic and international markets.
We listen and we understand the market and expectations. We go hand in hand with our customers. Fast delivery, high quality with innovation, and design to the very end. Product experts are with you every step of the way to ensure you get the perfect combination of time and economy.